I've noted 21 top of them. I will share with you only 5. It is in I will pick up on those 5. And number 1, Makacha was a Ghana problem. There's a mindset problem. Yeah. I mean, look at the equator, look at the Gulf of Guinea, look at the joining the Volta. You can see a straight line from here, from Ada right up to Keta. There is a straight line that is merging the Gulf and the Volta. Yeah. Stakoko, bauxite, and from a India, Edipenim Yansa, and Mepo Epo. It's Romans chapter 1, verse number 21. And anything I have seen from Ghana's problem is in the scriptures. I'm telling you, don't blame your leaders. It will shock you that in Kwasiadine was sorry there. Kwasiadine sorry them. I'm sorry I had to tell Ghana. I be free Christo Yesu. Sorry mo. Atutuni pa bebre hinti diano. Foolish churches, and the whole idea is our belly. And so I'm using this opportunity when he said, they know God, but they don't glorify him as God, and they don't bless him, but they have a foolish heart and a dark imagination. Only one. Yes, yeah, National Cathedral. Bisu bejina here be National Shrine. Bisu mama said, "Dear Ben, na so far abosum ni nsuma na ya mo me." Only one, a per one per. Yes, I one no I will consider. Kunu mame. Chichire ne kon. Yina juni free dinosaur. Emane mahebi you. That is your job. Asana brofunetena si awdwene senkabsa abre wo maduru baby. Ye de ne say boniduya to naduro. Kasi adwen no an ye wo mutel now. And that is what we are able to do. Interestingly,